So, good morning. I am John Dwayne Lumugdang and I am the head of this company. So, first, can you introduce yourself?
Good morning, Mr. Lumugdang. My name is Achilles Cadenes, and I'm very interested in the technical position. I have been working as a technician, and I'm eager to bring my technical skills and problem-solving abilities to your company.
Okay, so first question. Can you tell me briefly about your background and your work experience?
Certainly, I have a degree in Bachelor of Science in Information Technology from Technological University of the Philippines. I work as a technician where I was responsible for maintaining equipment, troubleshooting issues, and performing repairs.
Okay, so how did you find the job?
I found the job posting on social media. I was immediately drawn to technician because of reason the company reputation for innovation, the opportunity to work with advanced technology, positive employees reviews.
Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So, if I decided to hire you, in what ways will the company benefit from your expertise?
With my expertise as a technician, I can help the company by minimizing downtime, improving equipment performance, reducing maintenance costs. I am proficient in technician skill and have proved track record of quickly and effectively technical issues.
Okay, that's good to know. So, next, how well and effective can you work under pressure?
I handle pressure well, which is essential in a technician role. I often had to handling pressure, troubleshoot critical equipment failures under tight deadlines, respond to emergency repair requests. I stay calm, prioritize tasks, and focus on finding the best solution even the stressful action.
Okay, so here's the next question. Describe one mistake you did and what are the ways that you encountered that problem and how did you solve it?
Um, my mistake I did is early in my career, misdiagnose problem, overlook a critical step in a repair. I learned the importance of lesson, following procedures meticulously, double checking my work, seeking guidance when needed. Since then, I have always action taken to prevent resurrence, use checklists, consulted with senior technician, document my work truly.
Okay, so that's it. Do you have any questions regarding the company or the interview that happened today?
I don't have any questions, sir.
So thank you for your time. I appreciate your commitment and your dedication in this, in this interview. So our team will carefully consider your application and will inform you shortly.
Good afternoon. Before I formally start this interview, I would like to introduce myself. I am Achilles Cade Mendez. I am the manager of this company. So you can introduce yourself also.
Okay, so good afternoon, Mr. Mendez. I am John Dwayne Lumugdang, and it is pleasure to have this opportunity.
So, start by stating your educational background, and if you already worked before, tell me what company did you work previously and about your work experience.
So I graduated from TUP Taguig with a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology in year 2022. I worked previously at a small company in year 2023, wherein I worked there as a system support for 2 years. So I have prior knowledge and experience in managing systems.
That's good to know. So, you can tell me the reason why you want to work with our company instead of your previous work?
So the reason that I want to work at your company because I can see a lot of opportunity for me to gain a lot of experiences in working as an IT in your company and also to grow and learn a lot of new skills. Also, from researching, I learned that this company works with the latest technologies. So I am committed to work in an advanced environment that can greatly improve my skills and performance.
I see. So, you have experience. So, you can tell me what experience specifically in your degree?
So I have expertise in managing systems such as setting and installing computer operations systems, setting up antivirus scans, optimizing computer system performance, troubleshooting system issues, and also helping my workmates in my company previously about technical issues concerning about the computer system and etc.
Good to know. Can you give me one system issues that you solved at your previous company?
So when I came across a system that have slow internet browser, which is the Google, I only clear all the cache and cookies present in the system. Also, I updated the browser and the browser was running faster. So I solved the problem of having a slow research engine.
Okay, Sir Lumugdang. How well can you work in a team and be a leader?
So I can work well in a team and be a leader in ways that I can always take the initiative to do a certain things, decide on what is the proper action needed, and always inform the team on what to do clearly and properly about the problem or the event that is happening in our company. For example, is during our final project in college, wherein me, I lead the team to work on different systems. Instinct to be more efficient in finishing our output system. And in the end, we did not only finish our system, but we also defended our proposal about the project that we made. And that project that we made is also used in our school to further make the school better.
Uh, so, the information that you given to me, I can clearly see your experience and ethics at doing your responsibilities. So, that's all. Before I finish the interview, do you have any questions, Sir Lumugdang?
So as of now, I do not have any questions in my mind, sir.
So, that's our interview. Thank you for your commitment and efforts to this interview. Our team will review about your application. I inform you as soon as possible and I hope to welcome you in this company.
Also, I would like to thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity, and I would like to hope that I can have the opportunity to work in your company, sir.